here, as I mentioned, you can go through what are the details are there. So today we were interested in what you can say, Aerospace Technological of MSc. You can click on choose. Then you can see, please select the semester that you want to go. Usually it will be first semester, but if you are not, then you can click on other semester, but there is no other option. You have to select the first semester. That is good. Then add a section, add to the section. The degree program has been added to your shortlist, so you can go and check your shortlist program. Here you have what you can say, applied. So here, if you can see, please answer all necessary mandatory questions. Once you have submitted your, only then you can submit your application. So most of the people are known. The first application of Uni-Assist will be 75 euros. After that it will reduce to 15 or 20 euros. I'm not sure. I will just update you after every next application. But the first application will be 75 euros. Okay. Then what they are asking, as I told you, we have already filled all necessary details. What necessary details we have filled? We have just filled our school leaving certificate or our second PUC, which is prerequisite to do a bachelor in India. Okay, then we have filled all necessary information of a bachelor's. Okay, but now you have to answer all necessary documents and upload the documents. So one online application, online only application. For all this application you have to upload your documents. So you can click on upload documents. So here you can just see, please upload only PDF files, maximum 10 MB. Please upload a multi-page document in a PDF file that contain correct page order, diploma supplement. Please upload different document in different file, school report. Please upload each document only once and choose a suitable file name, example bachelor certificate. So the best thing would be, you can check here. I always did like this. I just added this section or the documents, how it has been represented here. If you can see, I have took some time and uploaded all documents, but if you can see here, the size of the document is same because I am using the same dummy document. But I just wanted to show you guys what are the documents you have to upload here. The first thing is category of your work experience internship, but we'll go by down. Okay, CV is your resume. You just have to prepare a resume. You can just use that, where you will have a different kind of CV you have to make here, which I usually use Europa CV to make it. So if you want, if you guys want a dedicated video on how to make CV for Uni-Assist and German universities, please leave a comment, then I will make a video on that. Then yeah, the second one would be language certificate. Here in the language certificate you can apply multiple that. So if you are applying or sending a document in a correct same category, you have to apply 2 or 3 documents. Then you have to use this, the second point, where you have to upload the document with several pages in one PDF file. Say example, all related language certificate. So in this language certificate you can apply English language certificate, which is IELTS, and if you're applying for the German course, then you have to give a German certificate based on the requirement of your German university which you are applying. Then letter of motivation is, this is always not necessary, but it is just one time thing where you just have to upload and put it in this what you can say, your Uni-Assist document portal or your Thrash, where you will just, they will pick whatever you need, whatever the college need from your Uni-Assist, then they will send it directly, so that you don't need to do. So you can give the SOP once. Then also you can give a passport. Then you can give a school leaving certificate. School leaving certificate will be 10 plus 12, so you can add both PDF including 10th and 12th, so that would make you good chance, because you just don't need to give only 12, because then they will ask you please submit a preliminary before that. But in some cases, in some other states, then they will have considered from 1 to 12th as a single line. But in Karnataka it was different, because 10th is different and other 2 years will be considered as pre-university college, which is PUC. So that is two different. So that's why I always suggest from Karnataka, people who are applying, just make a PDF of 10th plus 12th, then it would be good for school certificate. Then university certificate is always your bachelor certificate. Then work experience or internship, if you have, then you can add that also. If you don't have, then no need to worry. But I always suggest in your bachelor's you would have done one internship for sure, so please upload that. Now you have filled all or uploaded all files, then you can click go to your application here. Then you can see unanswered mandatory questions. So here they have some questions regarding your application, so you can click on those. First, what they need a educational data. Please provide the details of secondary school or high school that you have attended most frequently, and the school leaving certificate you have obtained. So it is second PUC. That's why I gave a pause, so that you guys can think. Now let us fill. So general questions, if you can see, they have 11 questions, so I have filled all 11 questions. First we'll go through. So first I was checking, they had given the please provide the details of secondary school, high school that you have attended most recently, and school leaving certificate that you obtained. First I was checking, we had two options, so I thought why not we can give both 10th and PUC. So that's why I gave a 10th, which I studied for 3 years, which from high school we call it, from 8th standard to 10th standard, which school I have studied. I have just given the abbreviation. I have not went to fill everything. Then which country I have filled, then what is the name of the certificate that we have obtained after the finishing of 10th, that is secondary school living certificate. Then what is the date of acquisition. This you will find in the degree certificate, in the 10th certificate. Then after that I came up with the 11th and 12th. For that we did it for 2 years. So this is our university pre-qualification also. Then you can click where you did that, name and the city. Then you can click where you have finished that, country. Then you can see select or give the name, what is the certificate that you have obtained. So from Karnataka we say it is pre-university college. Then course or the date completion of that date. After that, university entrance qualification, it will be yes for sure. Then here the name of the entrance qualification that I have given is CET, but if you have given the now NEET and things like that, you can select that, and date of the entrance exam that you given, you can just mention here. Then they will ask studies outside of Germany. Yes, I have studied the bachelor degree outside Germany. Then you have to fill your all education qualification details of your bachelor's. Then you can click your 4 years of bachelor time, where you did this, name of the country and the award institution, which will be our Visvesvaraya Technological University, and country is India. Then location would be Karnataka and India. And then the subject I finished is electrical engineering. Then type of degree that I did is Bachelor of Engineering. Then have you successfully completed the degree program? Yes. If you have not, and if you are applying in 7th semester, 8th semester, you can click on no. Then they will ask some additional questions, I guess, but I never see any additional applications here. But you can click on yes, have you finished. Then you don't have secondary second qualification, third qualification, so directly you can click and go to student college. As most of the students have not done this, have you attended the student college, so this student college will come into picture if you are coming up for the bachelor degree, and also if you have done 3 years degree and college needs 4 years degree and things like that, then you will come across this student college. But you have in a path where you have finished your bachelor's and coming for a master's, then this everything should be no. That is for 100% sure for most of the Indian colleges. Then you can click on the if you have attended student college in Germany, then you can click that. Then please provide the details of undertaken university in Germany. If you have taken, we say no, because we have not taken any undertaken university in Germany. Also, we didn't had anything to fill here. Then you can click on save. So now you can just see all unknown unanswered question or mandatory question are turned to green, so everything is filled. So handling fees is fine. So online application, for this application the university accepts an online application from Uni-Assist pre-check. Simply upload all required documents to our Uni-Assist portal. In some cases you will need to submit the further documents, officially certified copies, to the university later. That means they will for sure tell you in the mailbox of your Uni-Assist what to do next, but I'm telling based on it they will send you the application. If you can see walk through my other videos which I'm making from long time, once you get admission, either they will ask your documents, but some university once you applied they will ask you to send the document. So like say example for the TU Darmstadt that we applied like last 2 weeks before, they asked us to send the document. Then Uni-Assist will contact you, what are the documents you have to send them, then you can click on them. So you can click on choose payment option, then you can click credit card blah blah blah, then proceed to checkout. Then you have to click all this and you can to the payment patient and you can pay it. Then after paying, for sure you will be having your admission finished. Then you will have a application form downloaded for you for this application of Aerospace Technologies and Hochschule Bremen. Then once you have filled, then Uni-Assist will forward your application to the college. Then based on your their update from the college, they will update you in the my inbox what are the things that you're getting here. You can react to that. So today you just see how to apply for winter semester of Master of Science Hochschule Bremen for the course Aerospace Technologies. Then in future I will show how I can apply for other universities via Uni-Assist only. I will show entire universities until I get the documents or the application videos which I can make from number first for other universities which doesn't use Uni-Assist. Until then I will make these videos and some Germany updates. So keep supporting me, guys. So I'm making this video to work I'm making or regularly making to put videos thrice a week. It will be Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So please keep updated. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.